Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty House Tour. For the best quality homes in Metro Manila, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Today we are presenting a modern and centrally located 4-unit townhome development for sale located here in Kapitolyo, Pasig City. So we're going to explore the first unit and it's already ready for occupancy with just a few details that are going to be finished up in the next week. But join us as we explore it. Let's go! The development has 4 levels and each unit has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. We're taking a look here at the lower ground level where you have a ramp leading to a parking area that can easily fit 4 vehicles. If you want to have a car here at the ramp area, this entire space can comfortably fit 4 vehicles. And you have 2 rooms here, which are your service quarters. You have your driver's room and your maid's room. Both have their own bathroom. Here's the space and it has its own bathroom. Okay. The area is very well ventilated because you have air flowing in here and you have a staircase here leading to your kitchen area. So this is an excellent laundry space as well. And then here's the second room. You see, there's ample space for even 2 beds. And then here, you have another bath area. So we're going to be installing a faucet there as well. Okay. As I mentioned before, you have this spiral metal staircase leading up to your service area. So especially if you have some groceries, you can already bring them up from here towards your kitchen space. Okay. Let's head back up towards the main entry. As an added note, since we're just about to finish construction, there's going to be a metal grill here over this drainage area. Okay, let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Your main living and dining space is one big open plan concept area. You have warm cove lighting all throughout the space, and there's so much you can do in terms of arranging furniture. You also have these large windows here, letting in natural light. You have a great sunset view here, which you will also appreciate once you're at the 2nd and 3rd levels. And the windows are also quality PVC windows, and they also come with screens already. So you have additional storage here underneath the stairs, and they maximize the space. This is such a great area to also do interior decorating on. And you can have your living space over here and your dining area in this space. And it leads towards, of course, your open kitchen. You have an island countertop over here, very modern and minimalist, with a nice tile over here behind your range hood. So ample space here for your own choice of oven, whatever type that you'd like to place here. Okay, you have a Kitchen branded double sink over here. And of course, you have your first bedroom on this side. So this is an excellent guest room or a home office. You can make this a Zoom room or a home teleconferencing area or a study room. If you have a young child, this is a great playroom as well. If you have a senior member in the family, this also has a full bath space. The finishes are very elegant with floor to ceiling tiling. Okay. From this angle, you can see how spacious and open your ground level is. And as I mentioned before, you have access here through a spiral staircase towards your service area and staff quarters. There. Okay. And now let's head on over towards the second level where we have 2 more rooms, and then upwards towards the next level where we have 2 more rooms, so we have 4 rooms to go. The steps are very easy to climb with nice guide lights here. And now let's start off with the master bedroom. So you see that it's a very spacious room. It's a regular shaped room, high ceiling, and of course you have 2 large windows here. This one also serves as a sliding door with a large screen, great for ventilation, and you can open this up towards a balcony space. This is a nice pocket balcony. The designers had the thoughtfulness to put an outlet over here. So you can have a chair over here and make this a nice reading nook while charging your cell phone or even using your laptop. Okay, let's head on in. On an added note, for fire safety, you have a fire escape over here, and there's going to be a cover placed over here for safety. And you have built-in cabinetry on this side. Lots of storage. But on top of this, you have a spacious walk-in closet and bath area. So this first space is the closet space. And then you have your water closet over here and a dual vanity sink space and a shower enclosure. Okay. Very modern. It has a very hotel-like feel as well. The room also has a provision for a window type air conditioning unit. But if you'd like to place a split type air conditioning unit, that can easily be arranged and we can close this off. Now we're headed towards the third room. So you have a space here that you can maximize potentially as having additional storage. You can make this a linen closet space. And here you have the third room. So since the house is just about to finish construction, this is the door that's going to be installed in the next few days. But in terms of the size, this is like another version of the setup of the cabinetry that you saw in the master bedroom. And then you have a very warm and light tone for the flooring as well. And here you have the third bathroom. Check out the lighting around the main mirror. That's really quality work in terms of giving it a more elegant feel. Plenty of storage space here also for toiletries. And now it's time to head on over towards the next level where you have a den space and 2 bedrooms. Welcome to the top level of this home where you have a den area. So there's a cable and LAN provision here. So this is a nice nook for having a home office space. You can imagine having a table wrapped around in this area or a large widescreen TV for a central hub for the family, especially if you have visitors downstairs, but you can have a private space up here. Okay? And then let's take a look here at your 4th room. So the 4th room, once again, has a high ceiling. This is east facing, so you have the morning sun here. Once again, similar cabinetry as the bedroom in the lower level. And an ensuite bathroom. Another thing I like about this bathroom and the bathrooms of this property are the ceiling heights. That gives you a more open feeling for your bath area. It doesn't feel cramped at all. And it has its own window as well for ventilation. Okay, so you have an amenity area over here and another amenity area, of course, in your main living space in the ground level. And you can open this up towards a balcony space. But you have a 5th room over here which also has access to the balcony. So you can turn this into a 3rd level den area if you'd like. And it has its own bathroom. What I like about this space is when you open this up, this gives you so much air. And if you open this up and keep the screen here, you have all this, you have the air and the natural breeze streaming through here, flowing through here into your den space and entire 3rd level area. And you can imagine the air will flow down here towards the lower levels, keeping your entire home ventilated. And you can maximize the space as an additional area just to relax. You can have a table over here and it's completely covered and it has a great view of the city. Extends all the way to this side. Once again, you have your fire escape there. That's going to get covered as well for safety. So this is a fantastic home for anyone looking for fast access to Bonifacio Global City. You have the new Kapitolyo Bridge, which cuts the travel time from here to Bonifacio Global City to just 5 to 10 minutes. And you also have fast access. You're literally 10 minutes away from EDSA and also 5 to 10 minutes away from C5. So centrally located, but with so much space, multiple amenity areas, very modern, brand new, and ready for occupancy. If you're looking for an even bigger property, there's an option right now to purchase 2 or even 3 units as early as now, while all 4 units are available. and potentially have access between 2 units. That would effectively give you 10 rooms and parking for 6 to 8 vehicles. But that's just an idea. But just this unit is already a fantastic home. And that ends our quick tour. If you want to know more about this quality 4-unit Kapitolyo townhome for sale with a lot area of 119 square meters and a floor area of 350 square meters per unit, you can contact us through our info in the description below. And you can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. If you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us a message at MetroGuideRealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.